Ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP hak arpuai trik kelalingkan kalapan benda ya kathup kerteng ka baningkong jong ki khat nyungut ki kertong ki ban mi yakun ya ki election Autonomous District Council ADC Harilum Khasi bat jaintia ka ban long hak arpuai trik rempang napdeng kini khat sangut ki kertong ki dei ki ban mi yakun na ki constituency ki bahap hapo ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC Bat laingot na Giant Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC. Habakren Shakilat Pathai Kubor, State General Secretary ke BJP uba wankit bok pochna ulaong. Kani kade kasin ka baningkong baka party kanya kun na buon telikisid ha ke election ADC. Ngasngotik na baka jinga shimbenta ka jongi, kanya rap ha ka baka party kan la banok senyang ban penklan ya ka nongrim jong ki District Council. Upentip ru baya kathup kerteng ka baar jong ki kertong an sapin benashwa ka arpunyo trik kelalingkan. Haba keli uba pochna ula ong bakidon ki seed ki badan ya ka jingkermen banjob na ki kattu ka ni ki constituency Harilum Khasi bat jaintia. Ki khat sangot ki kertong syaka ki HADC ki kenthup ya uhimanta timung jirang Manin Raja Nongpo Hoping Stone Marsharing Mauhati Bright Star Field Kongwir Umsning, Councillor Mukim Maukenro, Elvis Star Karbudon Langkerdam Latkro, Ebren Kongtha Nongshken, Fairlock di Ringsai Nongthamai, Kansai Bor Lingdo Malki Lat Mkra, Kong Daniela Nonglat Maulai, Lewis Janong Suting Langrin, Dimandar Lingdo Nongston, Dominic Watlang Rambra Jerngam, Bat Roland Mausor Maushenrun. Katba ki kertong syaka JHADC ki kenthup ya uhemon mitre pawa Jowai South manbha lingdo mutrong sok kempor bat ushan bor rembai musnyang rengan.
Jingdon kam ki ba hakmat haga yedi bat ka nyaka district council. Kumba kalong kitip hi ba podeli ngidon hi ka pok ka sarkar de lada ni ki berjongi ki job ki yo ya ka jing job te kalong ka basuk bangin ya keren lan di banwan rai kini kulo ki kampung roi hapo kemika state itu ni ka hapo ide bakani ngiladon ka po ka komiti jo ka manifesto de mentai kidang don kle de biasong haga kasin ka banukong but ngai sa la shine le sikin pendap ya ka manifesto te hantu pinsapau hi ki baga ijing anglot ke ijing tu ka bah kamat ka bangi kum ka BJP ngin wan rak wan bu hakmat pai pa ka tu ka sapau syai ka lang ba ka manifesto bijong pi ha ka jing shisha hi habangia ka habayale election hi baro ha ki ong ban job hi jing judan hi bolu ong ban ele election ban ren mo ten le ha ke jing ele pat ngimla bat ban ong ki makani kamde ka song karai ke jong nga jong marui simet ke jong pai ba wo bun
pai ba de ben ki pai ba ki jingtrai ba ka sarkar BJP hi hagini ki spose nam ki laya yanti mentangi la don ka third term ka jingla ban sanshar ko kari ki bun ki jing mentoi ki bala pois ki pai ba lemba ki skim ki ba pher ba blai tingi kermen ba pai ba on ai sok hendia ke jing sanya haki candidates jong ka parti jungi kena banginyo bandrung council ba kita ki jing mentoi ki ba wan nang te nolor ngila ban penetrate has ki constituencies jong ka district council pinlai ba ngidang sudak ka membership drive menekini ngidang dak ka organizational elections ki pai ki lapdiang ngila yo ban register member verified members kuma more than 60,000 te nakitu ngila de verified kuma like ko hajar and ngila don ki active members kuma sanspa ti ngathai ka jing pdiang hi ka party ka ladon ka sulong no ba ngimpat yo ban let ban penetrate namar ba ngidang reorganize ladi nangni syakmat ngathai pinsei yaki kam ki ba ngin satrai
marwa ki pai pa hi ki la sim hi ya ki jing arab ka bagai ka BJP ka ai mo nam ong ba kimpat pediang teng ba kini ki sipo kara snem ki la lek bar ho ki pai pa hi nadu na son hadu no kendong ki simlut hi ya ki jing arab ka baka ai te ka sulong tang ka wei ka ba ngingim podio ai kala pat ya ka bangil ye tu on percaya ki ba kini ki skim baro ki long de na ki jing wan da ki jing arab jong ka sarkar ujung modi Te kam tam na pilih hakino kendong lu habang ile hakino kendong hun sin ngi keli manu ba ai kan ki mudi manu ba ai pan kana mudi manu ba ai kita kitip hi ba manu ba ai te chulong ba ngim por la ban organize ba ai ka parti te ngi samba mentangi dan sudah ban organize ka parti te ning ba kin nang ni sakmat ngi salek ban percaya pa segi pai ba kini balok kilong ki ba ngi ka parti na Delhi Prime Minister ai ki jingarap Lumta ki jington kam jongki pai ba baro klempek siliang lau de u lom la nu them la de u wa kumnu klempek siliang ini nu ai baro ngi kwa hi ban punya ya baro ya baro ki apo khandai apo ki HDC ban apo khandai ki HDC tenre ni ngimpot yo had long ka ingi bangin yo maka ni dikasin ka ban kong kum ka parti hi ni don ke jing mde ba ong ba nim don ke jing ki kre na kum ta ka.
See, I cannot comment on what has gone wrong on the previous elections, but yes, we will ensure that the candidates which we have announced today, they will go to the field and carry forward the party's message. Obviously, we're going to have a centralized manifesto which we are going to bring out in the coming days, and we hope that our candidates will go forward and carry the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi of developed nation and how to go about it, and how from the district council we can be part of that vision of a Viksit Bharat. There are potential seats that we are working on, and we are having a positive note on it.
Which are the potential seats that you're looking at?
From Riboi districts, there are a few. From East Jante Hills, from Southwest Khasi Hills, we do have potential seats. From Shillong City, we do have. This is the first time actually the party is going all out to contest maximum seats in the district council, and I'm sure will be our participation will help to the party will be able to contribute in strengthening the foundation of the district councils. So that was we're looking forward if people choose our candidates.